Hey YouTube, it's Jessica here. So today I received an awesome package in the mail. I got this package. It is giant. It is this big, and it's from the Original Skateboard Company. So shout out to the Original Skateboard Company. They are totally awesome. I actually didn't order this. They actually just sent it out to me. So thank you so much. I don't actually know what's in here, because I'm going to be doing an unboxing video right now. So thank you so much to the Original Skateboard Company for sending me out this package. I'm super excited to be opening this. And so let's get started. So I wonder what could be in here. I mean, I have a pretty good idea what it could be, but I really don't know what's in here. So I'm pretty stoked. And just open this one, and that side, and that side, and that side. Alright, let's see. Just move back my camera. Okay. So, a lot of paper. Let's have a look. Okay. I don't know where to start. Paper, put that to the side. More paper. More paper. Oh my god, this is awesome. Alright, it's so cool. So, I've got one. First I'll show you these. I don't know what these are yet, but I've got these tubes of, let's open them to find out what these are. I think they're posters. So, first, let's see. So, yeah. Awesome. They're posters. So that one's really cool. This one's a Maven 35 status poster. So that's cool. Put that to the side. Let's see, number 2. Oh, nice. This is nice. Okay. Alright. So another cool poster of this one. So that's really cool. It's got some like cool information on boards and stuff. So that's awesome. So that's another one. Number 3, and another big one. So we'll just open that. Oh, nice. So this is the free ride board, and it just has information like all the cool decks and stuff you can get for the free ride. So that's really neat. Thank you so much. It's so cool. Number 1, 2, 3. This is number 4. So unroll this one. Oh, nice. This is the Arbiter, I think. Yeah, I don't know how to, I think it's the Arbiter. Just another one of these ones. So that is really rad. That is so cool. So that's another poster. Number 5. So smaller one again. Wow. It's really hard to unroll. So it's one of these ones. Information on like the deck and that. It's really cool. That's another cool one. And number 6. And So this is really cool. So number 6, let's see what this one is. This one, oh, this is sweet. This is the ADA 36 DK status poster with information on Blackboard. So that is sweet. I'll have a read of these later and I'll stick them up in my room. They're really cool posters. So thank you so much for them. So now we got some stickers. So I've got some cool original skate stickers. How awesome. So I've got that roll. Put that over there. Got original skate. Another original skate. Another original skate. Another one. Another one. They're really super cool. So I've got those stickers. Oh, and one more. Those are those stickers. Okay, what's... Oh, I got a skate magazine. Awesome. So I got a really cool skate magazine. Concrete Wave skate magazine. That is really cool because I've never actually seen these before. So that's awesome. Thank you so much for that. And now the thing that we've all been waiting for is, let me just remove this. Oh, I'll just pop that down. Is this. I got an original longboard.
Sorry about that, loves.
Oh my gosh, that's my mom, everybody. See ya. Bye. So this is the board. I don't know if I can. Bye. So anyway, I got this board sent out to me, this long board. So it's got waves on it. It's really cool. It's got some metal trucks, green bushings. It's really sweet. Soft to hard wheels, and they spin really good. It's like, ooh, that's so awesome. So they spin good. The wheels are 65 millimeters, and they're radius wheels. They're cell bearings, which is awesome. Really good. This is so cool. It's like custom grip tape. It's like awesome. This is the grip tape. I'm guessing it may be Jessup by the feel of it. I'm not sure. But it has the original, so you can see. It has the logo on it, and it's a pintail. So yeah, I didn't read that before. So it's a pintail longboard. Totally awesome. So I'm really looking forward to riding this. Well, trying to ride it. I'm still learning, but it's all good. So it's a pintail 40. Trying my best to read upside down. Pintail 40, 8.8 times 40. And this is so cool. Like, this is like the best. Like, this is so cool. And I can't thank you guys enough for this. Like, this is epic. So thank you so much, our original longboards, our original skateboards with the original longboards. This is just epic. Like, thank you so much for sending me out all these cool gifts. This is totally epic, and I'm going to be doing some more upload videos soon of me skating. My next video will be of me using my longboard, so that will be awesome. I'll be able to give my board back to Tom, so that would be good. So yeah, I mean, the next video I do may not be till next week, because I just had an x-ray on my back because I may be having a few issues there with my spine. But other than that, I can't wait to try this out, and it's going to be epic. So thank you so much, and make sure to comment, subscribe, and share the video. Thank you so much once again, and I'll see you guys next week, hopefully. Bye. Also guys, I've got a link in the description below, so if you want to buy your own longboard, the link will be in the description below for the original longboard. So check it out, check out the website, it's really cool. Awesome longboards. Alright, please like, subscribe, and comment. See ya.